Hey guys, welcome back to Brailsford's Rides. I'm Matt. I want to do a quick update video on Project Bobby B. I know I haven't brought you guys a video in a while, but the weather outside has been wet and cold, and if anyone who's an MGB guy knows, these cars don't like wet, for sure, and it's a permanent convertible, so I don't like the cold. Also got all my Christmas stuff boxes in the way. Since it's been so wet, I haven't been able to put up all my Christmas decorations, so unfortunately they're kind of in the way and preventing me from doing a few things. But we'll get that taken care of here in the next week or two. But I want to go ahead and give you guys an update on a couple of things we're working on. One of the upcoming videos is going to be a differential fluid swap. The original fluid in the fluid that's in there is still very old, and I have the replacement fluid. Problem is, in this cold setting, it becomes very thick, and even when I heat it up, by the time I get it into the fill pump, it's not warm enough to kind of flow out easily. So it's a lot of work, and it's not super easy to do. So I'm just going to wait until I catch an unseasonably warm day and knock it out then. The other big thing I want to point out is a bunch of you guys know that I got that Amco. It's kind of sitting on my toolbox. Sorry, this Amco brush guard here for the front of Project Bobby B. Alright, I had it mocked up before. Well, now here I got some plate steel that we are going to, the plan is going to be to kind of mount it behind the flat toe bracket, right, and drill 2 holes and have it stick out a little bit, so on this either side I can mount the brush guard to it. And if I'm lucky, I can put it in the back end, and it should look, I think it'll look pretty good. I think it'll look cool. It'll still look very rugged, but I got a big piece of steel that we're going to drill and cut both sides and see what we can fabricate. And this will be my first time kind of doing anything like this, but I'm excited to do it, and I think it's going to look really cool. Hoping, let me know what you guys think. If you have any recommendations for cutting weld metal or, you know, structural steel, let me know. Haven't really done it before, but you know, I've been learning a lot of this project, so it's the perfect car to learn on. So for all my longtime subscribers, we are getting super close to our Burl shift knob giveaway. We are, I believe, 10 subscribers away from the time I made this, so share the video, recommend subscribe, and once we get to 500, we will do the Burl shift knob giveaway, and I will either go and live stream the turning for the winner, or make it and post another video on it. But I'm debating. I'm leaning towards the live stream, depending on if the signal's good enough out there. So like, subscribe, and make sure you're a part of it. The other big winter project I need to tackle is this passenger floor pan. You can't really see it, but there's holes up there at the front. I still need to do the front half. The new one's sitting tucked away over there behind the fake ice board for my son, and we need to tackle that. But it's been, again, cold, and it's very loud when I cut, and I keep the whole family up, and so during the day I haven't had a lot. During the days I haven't had a lot of time to address it and work on it. So that's going to be upcoming, and we'll get that knocked out here at some point, and then we'll have good floor pans. And I'd love to find a set of decent shape used door panels to kind of clean up my interior look a little bit. I think literally just the door panels alone will help a lot. So if anyone has a good set for a 74.5 that would work and mount up to my doors, please let me know, and what we might be able to do to work something out. And yeah, I think it would clean up the look a lot. As you can see, that's kind of like stands out like a sore thumb. And then I've got the bar kind of thing, or whatever the heck you want to call it, the support, the armrest that goes here. I just need to recover them. So whatever color door panel I can get, I can probably get some material from like Michael's or something to cover that myself to match, or at least closely match. One last thing that eventually needs to be addressed is this seat, especially. Both seats are in rough shape, but I sit in this one, and down here, this little edge thing is super sharp, and it's really digging in me. So in the meantime, I'm probably going to get like a patio cushion and just throw it on there, so I'm not like stabbing myself every time I get out of the car. But yeah, I just got the car's still running good. I still idle it. Probably once a week, just to make sure the fluids keep moving and it keeps running good. But yeah, I definitely I'm itching to get it out there. Can't wait. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all I got for you today. I just wanted to bring you an update on what I'm doing and why I haven't been bringing you guys this frequent frequent restoration videos. And it really just comes down to the clutter, the cold, and the rain. And so hopefully something gives here shortly and we'll be able to bring you guys some more. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.